Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I will show you the beautiful room decoration. I hope all are you doing good. So let's start the video. You can see the picture, the up, you can see the wall, you can see the floor, roof, you can see the black color and the lamp beautiful, and you can see the sun also very beautiful decoration. Only go inside and bed. It is how will they sleep here? It is very difficult to sleep. Ninsun is very good. From up you can take any book or something, then you can read, then you can keep again, then you can sleep, then you can wake up and you can see here two beds. Two beds room is very beautiful. The flowers, you can see the flower, light flower. And you can see this one also very beautiful, very good, very attractive. You can see the pictures and the up lamp, you can see the sides, you can see very beautiful looking, and you can see this one also very beautiful, pink colored and pink colored, very beautiful color. You can see this one also, the door is closing like a triangle box. You can see the doors design, very beautiful design, looking very good. And you can see this one also, the bed, you can keep your books, notebooks, anything you can keep there. It will be looking very beautiful. And the bed, you can see the decoration is very beautiful. This one also very beautiful bed. Come down, Saji, then go to bed, then Saji, then go to bed. Very beautiful place for gaming, also for everything. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lamp and the lights, you can see beautiful lights, and the table and the color of wall. And you can see this one also very beautiful, up and down. You can slide and come and go with stairs, very beautiful. They make this one, it is very beautiful. You can see this one also, the up fan is going full turbo speed, very beautiful fan. I don't know, they put inside turbo or something. It is very going fast. And you can see this one also, good good vibes is coming from this room. If you see, stay there. Pillow is saying, I'm not saying. Okay, then you can see this picture also, very beautiful picture. You can see it is maybe gaming room, because you can see the lights and the decoration, very beautiful decoration. You can see this one also very beautiful, the pictures, the heart shape frame they make, and I don't know what is this, duck or something. You comment me down please, brothers, sisters. So you can see this one also, the decoration, the design, the frame of wall, very beautiful, attractive. So it is very nice. And you can see this one also very beautiful. It is very good and nice. So if you guys like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, families, and all. So for entertaining me, please like and subscribe to my video and comment to my video. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Love you all.